Hello.
Hello.
Nice weather today.
Yes, the weather is nice.
Are you at the park?
Yes, I am at the park.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here often.
Do you like this park?
Yes, I like this park.
What do you do here?
I walk and relax here.
Do you come alone?
I come alone sometimes.
Or do you come with friends?
Sometimes I come with friends.
That is nice.
Yes, I like walking in the park.
Do you like walking in the park?
It is calm and relaxing.
Do you come here in the morning or in the evening?
I come here in the evening.
Great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.